Now that we've created our quote, the next step is to add an itinerary to the quote. In this example, we will build a custom package using the wizard. Start by clicking the Search button. This takes you to the package listing page. You'll learn more about how to use this page to build quotes in a separate video. For now, we're going to create a custom package using the wizard. To do that, click the wand icon. Once you click it, a new package is created and named automatically based on the client name. In this case, it's called Mr. Christian Belmont. You can change this name to something more descriptive or relevant. We will change this to Tanzania Explorer. Next, you'll see a section with various descriptors. This helps define the type of safari or experience you're creating. You can select the budget level, choose the type of safari. For this example, we'll keep it set to private. And you can also choose a fitness level. There's also a toggle for whether the package is accessibility friendly. You also have the option to add an image to your package. You can simply drag and drop a photo or upload one directly from your device. Images are saved in sort order, so the first one you add becomes the main preview. Below that, you'll see additional tags you can use to categorize the package, like family, beach, honeymoon, photographic, and many others. For now, we'll leave this set to classic. Once everything looks good, click Create to start building your new package.